Welcome to ValueBridge.net, your paint-by-numbers resource for value creation in private equity deals, funds, GPs, and investment programs. This is a quick demonstration of the platform and how you can use it to kickstart your own value creation models. Once your account's activated, use the site's navigation bar to visit the module page. Here you'll find links to all 40 of the ValueBridge.net units. You can scroll through them or filter by categories and value creation metrics. For example, selecting revenue here tells us which modules use that as a value driver. Let's take a closer look at Module 15 on the impact of changes in the addressable market and market share. You might start by watching the instructional video. These are between 5 and 10 minutes long and they show you exactly how to set up your equations and your spreadsheets. Links below the video let you jump directly to sections of interest. For example, here we have a 75-second overview, 80 seconds on the equations, and about 3 minutes of sample calculations. All the videos contain subtitles which can be switched on or off, and they are searchable so you can use subtitles to navigate the points of interest. Right below is a download button for the module's Microsoft Excel template. These files are an excellent starting point for your own models. Most of them include 2 tabs, one for an LBO with an EBITDA-based valuation and another for a growth investment with a revenue-based valuation. The next sections explain all the math in the video and the Excel template. The first defines the variables, the next gives us the equations, and the third provides a detailed paint-by-numbers example using data from a private equity portfolio company. All the math and data that you see here matches what's in the video and the Excel template above. If you left the video playing, it'll keep running over here on the side. That way you can keep listening to the audio while you read through the mathematics. Each module also includes an online value creation calculator, where you can plug in portfolio company data and measure value creation by clicking a button. Each one produces an interactive chart and tables with all the important inputs and outputs. You can use these calculators to check your results before doing something irreversible, like plugging numbers into a PPM or investment committee memo. This button at the bottom lets you print to paper or PDF, and you can use that to manually check that all the numbers in your Excel file are correct and save down backups for future reference or regulatory and compliance purposes. After the calculator, there are a few more sections. This one includes additional suggestions for finding and formatting data. The next provides links to more detailed explanations with the theories and proofs that explain why the math works. And here's the forum where subscribers can ask questions or share details about how they are using these models out in the real world. Finally, if subscribers need additional help, they can use the support link in the menu bar to start a one-on-one discussion. That's a current snapshot of ValueBridge.net. We are still creating content, but if you sign up today, you can lock in early access pricing. This will give you full access to all the videos, Excel templates, and online calculators that are currently available or will be available in the future. You can visit the pricing page to start your early access subscription today. Thanks for watching and thanks for your interest in ValueBridge.net.